Lenovo has officially introduced the Yoga Tab Plus in India, marking its entry into the AI tablet segment. The launch revealed via Lenovo's online channels highlights a blend of high-end hardware with on-device AI support to enhance productivity and creativity. It features a 12.7 LTPS LCD panel with 3K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, 900 nits of peak brightness, Dolby Vision support. It runs Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 UFS 4.0 storage. You get Lenovo AI Now, a local on-device AI assistant produced by LLM that has 8 billion parameters. It enables features like real-time transcription, summarization, and voice-to-text without relying on the cloud. It runs Android 14 based UI 16 and promises 3 years of Android updates up to 17 and security patches for 4 years. On the audio front, you get 6 Harman Kardon tuned speakers including 4 woofers and 2 tweeters with Dolby Atmos entertainment. The tablet includes 13 megapixel main rear camera, 2 megapixel auxiliary camera, and front has 13 megapixel camera. It has fingerprint and face unlock and stainless steel kickstand for flexible viewing. Other benefits include bundle Lenovo Tab Pen Pro with tilt detection, a 2-in-1 keyboard with the AI key. You get a 10,200 mAh battery with 11 hours of streaming and 45 watts of fast charging. It's priced at 45,000 rupees for 256 GB model and 48,000 rupees for the 512 GB model. It will be coming in a single tidal teal color and can be purchased from Lenovo.com, Amazon.com, and Lenovo's offline store.